Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a ZTE Blade A32 and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. Let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard, for example messages, notes, browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings which are in this upper panel. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on the languages. And as you can see, in my case, I've got two different languages. So let me first of all maybe remove the Russian, because I want to start with the configuration you've got probably on your device. So now let's simply tap on Add Keyboard. And here we've been transferred to the full list of available keyboards from which you can choose. So you can either scroll or enter the name of the language to find it quicker, and then simply tap on it. So let me pick maybe Urdu one, choose the region. And right here we've got the keyboard types, and basically the number of it, the amount of them depends on the language, because sometimes you've got only two or one language layout, and sometimes you will have up to 7 different layouts. So all you have to do is to mark the layout you'd like to use. I'll pick this one and untick this option and tap on Done. And as you can see, we've got 2 different languages added, and basically if you want to completely set a different language, you can remove, for example, English or any other language just by tapping on this edit icon, marking the language and tapping on the trash bin icon. However, let me leave it like this. I'd like to actually show you how it will look like after applying 2 different languages. So let's go back to the keyboard, and basically we've got 2 features which are characteristic for 2 or more languages. So first of all, the language key, which will allow you basically to change the language. And here we've got the spacebar, which is not empty. We've got the name of the language we're currently using. So we can type English, and after tapping on the globe icon, we can easily switch to the Urdu one in my case. Alright, so basically this is it. Let me quickly remove the Urdu language. Just tap on the settings icon, tap on the languages, and tap on this edit icon, just like I've previously described. We've got only English left, and after getting back you can see that we do not have the globe icon and the spacebar is empty, which means that we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.